Hi everyone, my name is Anna. I've been with LivBay for 1 year. I've been lashing for 3. This channel is dedicated to everything lashes and beauty, so if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. In today's video, we're going to be going over our sheer collection and how to use it properly. Our sheer collection comes in 3 magnificent colors. There is pink, there is blue, and there is brown. It is a great alternative for the clear glue if you're just bored of looking at black and clear. It does dry clear. So the sheer collection is a great alternative to our clear glue. It is made similarly to the clear glue where it doesn't have that carbon black. It does have some pigment obviously because they are colored, so I would just be wary with your more sensitive clients, but for the most part it is a more sensitive glue. So today we're going to be using the sheer glue in the color pink on my volume fill here. Today I am using my straight up tweezers to isolate. To do my fans, I'm going to be using the just the tip tweezers. Amazing. We're going to be using, of course, the pink sheer collection glue. We have the LivBay OG 0.05 lashes in decurl. And on Jaylene here, we have our LivBay eye pads and our blue tape. So our sheer glue is a 1 to 1.5 second dry time. So it's going to be great for those quick hands. Just make sure you hold that fan open until it dries fully. While the sheer collection can be a good option for your more sensitive clients, I would still recommend doing a patch test just because some clients do have more sensitivity to pigments. So just to be on the safe side, do a patch test before you switch things up on your clients. So we are doing the standard volume fill here. My fans are about 2 to 8 extensions per fan. We're getting her filled up here. I apply my glue the same way. I just dip it for just a second and then remove any excess on the side. Hold on to the natural lash for just a couple seconds just to make sure it's really on there. And then release. If you think this pink is cute, just wait till you see the blue. I like to use the brown sheer glue for clients who have blonde lashes, just because the black glue can kind of darken that base, and it kind of helps so it's not such a harsh transition. Just a couple things about our sheer glue. Again, it is a 1 to 1.5 second dry time glue. It has a wide range of humidities. There's no carbon black, so it's going to be great for your sensitive clients, and it's just the vibe. It's so cute. The colors are super cute. Like I said, we have it in pink, blue, and brown. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope that it brought you tons of value. Questions for you: what is your favorite color of the sheer collection? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks guys, bye.